Now I want to start import an, an image that I want to use as a pattern. So I'm going to import this texture of wood I found over internet. I'm rotating the image, I'm dragging down in order to scale, to resize in proportion with the armchair. Remember to drag from the corner, holding down the shift key. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer because also I want it on both the two arms. I'm flipping horizontal in order to make the look even, left and right. Then I'm merging together the two layers, and then using the selection of the front of the arms I've done, I'm making a new layer mask in which I want just to reveal the selection, and then you can see that the piece of wood looks like to be cut according with the shape of the front of the arm. Then I'm importing again another piece of wood, and I need to rasterize the layer because then I'm not able to stretch and transform as I want. So again, unloading the selection, I'm going to reveal all into the place of the pillow, and then I unlink the connection between the image and the layer mask in order to make able to do this kind of transformation. I reduce the size, and then I'm using the warp tool in order to simulate a sort of roundness in which this wood basically it's around the little pillow to simulate the softness of the little pillow itself. When this command is done, you can press enter in order to confirm what you have done. I'm playing with the way of the blending mode of the layers, just in order to take advantage of a little of the shadow that comes from the original image. But now I want to apply a sort of stronger shadows and lights. So I'm going to create new layers, and using the brush I'm going to simulate and change the opacity and the size of the brush. I'm trying to simulate the effect of the lights and the shadow of this pillow in order to match better the actual shadow of the armchair. So I'm using one layer for the shadow with the reduced opacity and one other layer for the lights. I'm using a pretty small point tip of the for the white, a very little opacity in order then to be able to do this. The reason it is that I want to be able to manage independently the lights and the shadow. So this is the story. Thank you for watching.